Hello there, how are you today? Today we are going to color a walking cat. Are you ready, kid? Let's start it. There we go, our walking cat. So cute, right? Let's color it. Let's color the body with brown color, a light brown color. So cute, right? Now let's color the head. We colored it with yellow. But we will combine it with different kind of yellow, a lighter yellow. Let's color the emblem on the head, the sign on the head with red and brown. Very pretty. Now, go to the clothes. Let's color the cat's shirt. We colored it with purple. And then combine with other color of purple. So good. Okay, let's continue. Do you know what the walking is walking in? Perhaps it's something to do with water. Or something else. Let's find out. Now let's color the grass and the soil. We color the grass with green. And other plants, leaves and flowers. We'll start with the plants or the grass. We color them with green. Not a darker green. Or we can color it with brown. There we go. Now let's color the plants and the flowers. let's continue. Let's go the power. You have more players and flowers there. Let's go the other flowers. There we go, we got another one with pink color. And you have one more flowers. Let's flower with yellow. You have one more plant to color. Let's color it with green. Very nice. What do you think of the cat, kids? So cute, right? It is a walking cat. It's walking on the field. Doing the things in the field. It's wearing a hat, a yellow hat, and he's wearing a purple shirt. Okay, kids, that's it for now. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next video, kids. Take care, and bye-bye.